Today's story is Kuchishek Ona, the Slit-Mouthed Woman, written by Sujay Sachit. Kuchisheke Ona is a Japanese urban legend. A few hundreds of years ago, a very beautiful woman lived in Japan. She was so beautiful that she lured all the men in her village. Her husband was a samurai, that means warrior. He had to go because of a war. Since her husband was fighting in a war, it was not sure whether he would come back home alive or not. So the woman took advantage of this and started an affair with a man. When the war ended, her husband was really happy that he would be able to see his wife again. When the husband came back home, he found out that his wife was cheating on him. He became so furious that he took out his katana, a Japanese sword, and slit her mouth from ear to ear and said, "Now let's see who calls you beautiful." Some people say that he killed her on the spot. Others say he left her alive so she could not see her own face, which was now ugly. After her death, her spirits became very vengeful and wanted to seek revenge, but her husband was mostly dead by that time. I don't know for sure. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, Japan was terrorized by the spirit of Kuchisake Onna. Many young children were kidnapped and found brutally murdered. Some children were stabbed in the chest with a sharp object. Some children's mouths were slit from ear to ear. The Japanese government started to find solutions for these serial killings. The police started to patrol the streets. Security was made very tight, and one could see police officers guarding the streets everywhere. But still, murders were taking place. Small children were targeted for these murders. Many people stopped sending their children to the school and playground. The children were kept grounded. Many schools were ordered by the government to make new rules for the safety of the children. Children were sent home in large groups, and each group was accompanied by one or more teachers. The police patrolled the empty streets searching for the killer. The survivors described Kuchisake Ona. She was a woman wearing a coat and she covered her face with a surgical mask to hide her slit mouth. She used a scissor to kill her victims. She asked people a question. If the question is answered correctly, she will not harm you. And if you answer wrong, then you be ready to die. Well, the problem is there is no right answer. She usually targeted children and very rarely attacked adults. She approached kids and asked them, "Am I pretty?" in Japanese language. If the child answered as no, then she will take out her scissor and stab the child in the chest. If the child answered as yes, then she will remove her surgical mask and show her true face and ask again, "Do you still think I am pretty?" Now it doesn't matter whether the child says yes or no. She will either kill the child or cut her mouth from ear to ear. Some people say that when she asks you the question, you should confuse her by saying, "You are average," or by asking the spirit a question, "Am I pretty?" You have to ask this question to the spirit. Some people say that you should say so, which is believed to be a holy or a sacred word. After saying this, the spirit will either slow down and you will get time to escape, or the spirit will completely disappear. Nobody knows whether such a spirit exists or not, but the serial killings which occurred in the 1970s and 1980s had actually happened. Some people say that there was no spirit and just a serial killer who was a human, but others say that it actually was a spirit and it still roams the streets of Japan on cold and foggy nights. So next time you visit Japan, don't just go alone to take a walk in the moonlight on an empty street. This is my story. If you like my story, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.